everybody, it's Adele with Chalk to Crafts. It's easy to learn and fun to do, and we're here with my great nephew. He's awesome, so he's great, of course. His name is Drew Clough, and he's 7 years old, and he's from Leander, Texas. Actually, he was born in Kyle, right? And in fact, if Jody gets on here, this is little Drew from back when we worked together in the NICU. And he's gonna teach us how to do the wale transfer. Hold on, let me flip the camera and you can show him. And there you go. He's gonna do this transfer, and he's gonna do it on the back of the board that we just finished. Do you wanna show him your finished buffalo first? We cleaned it all up. Actually, he cleaned most of it. He did a really good job. And he picked the colors, and he wanted more than one color. And he's doing the same thing with the wale. He's gonna do more than one color. I think he likes the way his Aunt Adele does some stuff too, so. So what's first, Drew?
First you peel this off from the back.
From the backing? Sometimes they're a little hard to get off. Especially if they're brand new. That one's not brand new, so you're kind of lucky.
And then you kind of wipe it on your shirt.
Drew, what's your favorite thing about summer?
Relaxing and playing Fortnite.
And swimming?
And having fun with my family.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
2 brothers and 3 sisters.
3 sisters. Awesome. So what is that you're doing right there to the transfer?
Making it unsticky, not that sticky.
So it's easier to pull off? Okay.
And then you kind of line it up. But you want to see the whole thing, so.
What do you mean by that? You want to see the whole thing?
You don't want to, like, half of it gonna be gone, like the buffalo. You don't want the feet to be sticking out. Or like.
You don't want the feet to be so low that the stand erases it? Let's see. That looks good.
And then.
So it's not flat enough. We need to make sure that gets really flat and get the air bubbles out, remember?
You forgot to do that to the other one.
Yeah, that's because it was already laying pretty flat. So let's get the
Air bubbles out.
we don't want any of those wrinkles there. I'm gonna let you do it. I'm just gonna tell you. So the most important part is right in here, and I can feel bubbles now. So do you want me to help you? Huh? No? Well, first we gotta get those big ones out before we even bring that in. So we need to get the big ones out before we do that. Other way, other way, other way. No, other way. So you pull it towards you. So start at one end and pull it towards you. There you go. Okay, we've got a little wrinkle here, but I'm not worried about that because that's not where the paste is going. So it's okay, but you can fix it too. There's a little wrinkle there, but I'm not worried about that one either. Okay, so what are you doing now?
So the first color we are going to use.
Hold on, I'm gonna move around to the other side. So I can get a better picture of your face. Okay, go ahead.
And then we're gonna get one of these, and then we're gonna dip it in the color. that I'm gonna use first. And then we're gonna kind of wipe it so barely any's gonna come off.
Oh no, we want a lot on there. We want more paste than that. Because you're gonna wipe it off later. You want a lot of paste on it when you first put it on.
And then you're just gonna wipe it.
So we had a talk a minute ago and I think I might have been misunderstood, so it's okay. I was telling him when you scrape it off, go in one direction, but you can do this however you want. This part right here you can do however you want, Drew. It's just cleaning up the excess.
And we're done with this one color. We just need to wipe it.
Good job.
Then we're gonna go down and wipe it. Then we're going down and wipe it. And then we're gonna go down.
So you see those little lines on there?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't wipe those out, they will show when you pull the transfer off. Okay.
Just got that.
Okay. Go and scrape off. Scrape off the excess. There you go.
And then we're gonna go down. And we're gonna pick it up. And then we're gonna wipe it back into the jar. And then we're gonna go down. And then put it back in the jar. We are going to be done with that color. And then we are going to put some of this color in.
I think that's mint.
Mint green.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're just gonna wipe.
He picked all of his colors and had his plan all figured out. Okay, now go ahead and scrape that off. Scrape it and put it here. Because there's another color mixed in now. We don't want to mix up the colors in our jar. Good job.
And these are washable, so if you get on your hands or anything, you can just wipe it right off.
That's right. And then what are we gonna do next? Hey Sherry, hey Nancy.
And then you're gonna put it on the thing, and then you're gonna grab one more, and then you're gonna put in your next color,
Okay.
and then you're gonna put it where you want. Backwards. Turn it.
That's okay. Just grab a different squeegee. He likes to grab the wrong end of the squeegees. Here's one right here.
Then you're gonna wipe and not see any lines when you do it. And you don't want any paint on it. Barely any paint.
Okay. All right, let's pull it up. Just set it down. It's fine. Now we get to pull the transfer up, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, actually, I'm not done yet.
Oh, you better hurry because it's drying. He wants to do something else to it. Okay.
We're gonna kind of mix it in right there.
Hey Sherry, how you doing? Thank you for joining. This is Drew, my nephew. Well, actually my nephew's nephew. My nephew's son, sorry. And today is his first day chalking. This is his second project. Okay, I think we need to pull it up or we're gonna be in trouble. We might be in trouble already because it might be drying. We might have to redo it, but that's okay. We might not too. Oh my gosh, I love it. I would have never, okay. Go ahead and put that in the water and we'll clean it.
And bye, we'll see you all next time.
No, rinse your hands and then come show him the finished project.
Okay.
He's gonna rinse his hands and then he's gonna show you what he just finished.
I'm gonna move
He'll be right back. Sherry says, hey Drew, you're doing awesome. Great job, Drew. Come here, Drew, come on. He's asking for his own YouTube channel right now. Okay, now show him your finished project. There's some oopsies on the side where he went outside the lines, but there's his project.
That's my second one I've done.
Let me zoom in real quick. Oops. I kind of like it.
I like it.
I like the different colors. Oh, you're getting lots of hearts, Drew.
Mm-hmm.
Look, getting lots of hearts. All right, we'll see you guys in a while. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.